Hey everyone! Today on the Weller's channel, I'll show you how to fix the LS-0013 error in Epic Games. Here we go. The main reason for this error is usually that Epic Games wasn't launched as an administrator. To launch it as an administrator, right-click on it and select Run as Administrator. That's how it's done. Next, you'll want to check the integrity of the game files if the issue is related to a specific game. So let's go to the library and find, say, Super Meat Boy. Click the three dots, click Manage, and then click Verify Game Files. You can also try launching the game as an administrator. So go to the game's installation folder. Find the exe file that launches the game, and try running it as administrator, or alternatively go to Properties, then Compatibility, and uncheck that checkbox. You can also try putting a checkmark here, and if that doesn't help, put 2 checkmarks and hit apply, so that every time the game launches, it does so as administrator, you won't have to do it manually. And that's the last method for clearing the cache. We can go into run, type run, or execute here. So we type %local app data %here, hit OK. Here we look for Epic Games. Launcher is what we're interested in, yes. Here we go into saved and delete the web cache. And that's basically it. It was Wellers with you. Leave likes and subscribe to the channel. Wishing you all the best. Good luck to everyone. See you all later.